So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am playing Adopt Me, and guess what? Just guess what? I'm gonna show you it. 1 full-grown robin, 2 full-grown robin, 3 full-grown robin, and 4 full-grown robin. Can you guess it? I'll give you 5. So, and also, I have some guests, which is Stacy. Say hello.
Hi.
And this is Dora, but like Dora is like she's floating, but like yeah. So Stacy have like 4 neon otters, and they're all fully grown. So she's gonna show us. Oh my gosh, I am making YT. So Stacy, let's call in the BFF group. So guys, this is Stacy's all of her neon otter, and this is crazy. Okay, let's just call the let's try. Oh my gosh. Hey, wait. Okay. Answer the group chat. Hi. Answer the group chat. Hi, poop. Yes! So, guys, Ike has joined the group chat. Say hi to Ike. Ike, I'm making a YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. So, guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, they're invisible.
You were gonna make the neon without you because, like, you didn't answer our call.
I'm sorry. Okay, next Robin. Next Robin and the last Robin, guys. This is so crazy. Last Robin. Oh my gosh. This looks so pretty. Oh, come on. Guys, this looks so cute. So cute, guys. Guess what? What? Ike, just say it. Okay. It's adorable. I hate poop.
Time for mega.
So, guys.
Guess what?
What?
I hate poop.
Well, I love poop.
That's why. It's my turn. That's your poop.
What? So it's Stacy's turn. Oh my gosh. I am. You guys won't see her one because like it's like yeah.
Your Robin is thick.
I know, right? I love my
Robin
Robin.
is slapping me with his wings. Like, get it off of me.
Boom, 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 boom.
Guys, I had 14 Robux, and then like when I checked, like I got 14 Robux, and when I checked my account back, I got 469 Robux. It's changing color.
It's so pretty, guys. Guys, I'm gonna give you guys a zoom because it's so. Stacy, don't move, okay? Look at that amazing.
An offer.
That is so cute.
Can I offer, please?
Stacy.
Offer what? Can I offer for your cute little otter? I'm sorry. Whatever you give me, even a potion, I really deserve this otter. I worked so hard. Deserve it.
Guys, and also Stacy is working on a mega neon cat. So comment down below if you want to see that. What?
I had 14 Robux. When I had 467 Robux, and I was like, oh my god, gave me, and I
Okay.
Finally.
So guys,
I think I got it from Rainbow.
so guys, guys, let's end this video. So let's stress.
Wait, I'm making it mega.
Why are you shooing to sticks? Why are you shooing to her?
Mega Rainbow. She's
Oh,
not
wow.
saying anything, but she's still talking to me in her mind.
Okay, so guys, let's just. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure, Aki, you're covering the way. Make sure to like.
To show you, guys, I have something to show you. Come outside with me.
Oh my gosh, what do you want?
Shut up.
Let's go.
Teresa is going in the water.
What? That looks so cool.
Okay,
Also
come over
mine.
here. Oh, why am I jumping in the bridge?
Okay, let's just go.
Ready?
Oh my gosh.
Ow!
Oh my
My
God.
mega rainbow.
Ike,
Buy some ice cream. Can I please buy some ice
Ike,
Ike! It will be $10.
Ike!
What?
Can you buy me can you buy me a fish? Cause I want a penguin.
Thank you. I love ice cream.
Stacy.
Ah,
Oh my god, are you really? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry.
I just buy for
Oh.
once and it got everything.
Oh my gosh. Oh guys, I'm gonna try to get the golden unicorn. I mean, why did I say unicorn?
Oh, trade me. Okay.
Oh my
let's go.
gosh. I'm gonna try to get that thing. I'm trying to get you. I really want a golden penguin because it's yellow and so cute. Like how they walk so cute.
I also want a pumpkin, not pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna follow this penguin. So I'm not gonna put it inside. So where is that penguin? Oh my gosh. Oh my,
Here.
oh my gosh.
Teresa,
Oh
here,
my
I
gosh.
saw it.
Oh my gosh.
The
Oh my
yellow
gosh.
one.
Penguin, stop moving! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my
Can
gosh.
I use my roller skates in here?
Oh my gosh, get it!
Yeah, that would
Take
be
it,
perfect.
take it, take it, take it.
Oh, the golden penguin. Oh my god, come back here, you golden shrimp.
What did I got? Guys, this is so glitchy.
You can spawn it indoors.
Oh, I just got this penguin, but I still like it because it's so cute.
You're stupid.
Oh,
Aki, can I also have one? I want the yellow penguin.
it's a golden penguin. Oh, yeah.
Can I also have one, please? Fine. I feel like you guys are just wasting money.
Ike. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video now. We're like wasting video. Okay, guys, comment down below if you want Ike. If you want Ike, guys, shut up.
I gave you a ride potion already. I'm trying to get the golden penguin.
Okay, guys, shut up. So,
You're so mean.
comment down below if you want if you want Ike to say yes to everything what we say.
No, that will not be happening. No.
Okay, guys. Bye, guys.